All right, guys, just going to make a quick video. I know the markets are dumping today, and I guess this is going to be more of a pep talk, realistic look video as I normally do. I'm only going to talk for about maybe 5 minutes or less, but mainly we're seeing a dump today. We're seeing a dump 100% not related to crypto. It's not related to Bitcoin. It's not related to some bad news came about Bitcoin, an exchange collapsed. Gary Gensler decided to come out and sue somebody. No, it's traditionally the traditional markets, the stock markets. We're seeing cracks in the armor on the economy, which we've been talking about on this channel for the last year. Here's CNBC right here. S&P 500 falls 1% Friday. Heads for worst week in a year on tech selling on weak jobs numbers. So essentially the stock market's having a big old fat juicy dump today. And that's kind of bringing down your traditional markets. Like I said, we've been talking about this for the last 6 months, that the economy is 100% fake. The jobs numbers are 100% fake because I'm just a regular guy. I talk to people. Nobody has a good job. Nobody has any money. Nobody's getting a raise. And I've always said it's probably going to last until the end of the year before it totally collapses. And right now, I think we're starting to see kind of kinks in the armor, which is, of course, scaring people, and people are flooding out of the market. Here's what the jobs are for August. August payroll grew by less than expected, 142,000, but unemployment rate ticked down to 4.2. So really not crazy numbers. Really, it's kind of almost like in the margin of error. I mean, these numbers, but people are looking for any reason right now to dump out of the markets because people know in the back of their mind that these markets are fake and eventually they're going to crash. What do I think is going to happen? I think we're going to come back out of this. I don't think the actual apocalypse crash in the market is going to happen until after the elections. I don't think it's going to happen until next year, beginning of next year. That's my personal opinion. I could be wrong. We'll see what happens. I'm not Nostradamus. But, of course, if we do see a big crack in the armor and we do see a big stock market crash and we go into a recession, that, of course, would mean that the Bitcoin price is going to basically tank, and we're going to have a delay in that full-out bull market. The only concerning thing that I did see was my boy Tom Lee, who I really love, and he's always right about Bitcoin. He's always right about the markets. Every time there's a market dump, he pretty much comes out and basically tells people, hey, look, it's going to be okay. This is just a temporary thing. He did come out just the other day. Tom Lee, who's been correctly bullish, turns cautiously and sees 7 to 10% pullback in the markets. So to read the full article, they make you join CNBC Pro, which I'm not going to do. But you're seeing right now with Tom Lee, he's kind of cautiously optimistic. Here's another article I don't have to pay for. Stocks could drop 10% over the next 8 weeks, according to bullish forecaster Tom Lee. He told CNBC that investors should be cautious ahead of Fed interest rate cuts. So we're seeing job numbers low. We're seeing the possibility of the Fed coming out and doing an interest rate cut, which would probably be overall bullish for the crypto markets. And people are just kind of indecisive. They're kind of indecisive right now. They're waiting for the Fed to come out. What does that, or waiting to come out and make that rate cut? What does that mean for Bitcoin? It means Bitcoin's not going to do much. We're going to be in this range, 53,000 to 58,000. We might even dump it down into the $48,000 range if something crazy happens. All coins are not going to be doing all that much, but overall, if you're looking at this dump, which is kind of interesting, most of this dump really is Bitcoin. The altcoins have already dumped, I guess, enough. So it's really just kind of Bitcoin right now, just basically taking the brunt of it. If you go on Cointelegraph, nothing too crazy. There's Ripple co-founder signs a letter endorsing Harris for president. Oh, fuck. Yeah, well, I'm definitely looking to get out of all my Ripple. I don't want to hold any coin that is supporting Harris. But is this who's the co-founder? Is that guy who not Garlinghouse? What's his name? A key executive at Ripple, the firm behind XRP cryptocurrency. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, Chris Larson. Oh, that guy's a douchebag. He has nothing to do with XRP anyway. Yeah, so there's non-stories. Bitcoin drops to 1 month low, 57,000. Crypto in extreme fear as Arthur Hayes tips sub 50K. Here's an interesting story. Arthur Hayes is talking about sub 50K going into the weekend. Crypto market sentiment dropped back into extreme fear amid Bitcoin price slump, with Arthur Hayes predicting that it could drop again. Crypto market sentiment has fallen in extreme fear. Bitcoin rally fell between 56, blah, blah, blah. Arthur Hayes predicts it could sink another 12% to fall under $50,000 this weekend. Do I agree with that? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I really have no freaking idea. Bitcoin is going to do what it's going to do. If Bitcoin did hit a high of $73,000 and it dumps 50%, or I guess that'll be 100. No, if it dumps 50% and goes into the $40,000 range, like that's par for the course. Do you guys know how many bull markets Bitcoin hits a high and then dumps dumps 50% and then comes back? It's like, guys, this is all par for the course. It's all par for the course. So I don't want to see that happen, but if we do see that happen, it's going to be an excellent buying opportunity, and that could be the bottom that people are looking for. Overall, guys, like I said, I'm not going to be making a lot of crypto videos. I just saw a big dump, and I thought I'd make a quick video. Am I scared? No. Am I looking to buy more crypto? Yes. Do I care about this dump? No. Am I a little bit concerned about the economy? Yeah, but I don't think we're probably going to go into full-blown recession until next year. So really nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Like I said, I'm probably going to be making other political videos like Donald Trump, poll numbers, stuff like that. I might even make one later today. So if you see some videos come out from me that aren't crypto related and you're not interested in that kind of stuff, just ignore it. But as far as crypto, this is just your normal range, your normal dump, because the stock market's dumping. People are afraid because of the job numbers, and people are waiting for the Fed to come out and make their interest rate cuts. And people are just kind of confused or basically sitting on the sidelines. Job numbers not as good as people expected. So essentially, Bitcoin is just following the stock market right now. Nothing to see here. Kind of boring. I'm still bored. And I just thought I'd make a video because I know everybody's probably freaking out about the markets. All right, guys, like and subscribe. Talk to you later.